Today I'm going to show you 2 ways to reverse your audio in Logic Pro X. Both ways are super duper easy. Okay, so the first one is you're taking your sound here and you click E as in Eric. And then it should be looking something like this. Then you need to go over to File, Functions, over here, and click Reverse. Now it's reversed. You can also click on Control, Shift, and R. Now it's back to normal. I can keep on doing this as much as I want to. The next way is also super easy. So it's up here where in the region, you need to click that down. On More, first of all you need to click on the sound, and then you need here to click Reverse, and now it is reversible. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section and I'll answer them as quickly as possible.